If X, then Y. The basis of logic modelling is the if-then construct. I would encourage you to spend a minute or two thinking up an if-then statement of your own. For example, if I stop at a shop tonight, then I can get some milk and have coffee when I get home. If I finish on time tonight, I can go for a swim before I go home. If I can get through my emails, then I can finish work on time. When you've come up with this statement, you've started logic modelling already. In coming up with this statement, you're creating a model of reality. You're generating a theory of change. Not only that, but you've already chosen the most important elements in that model of reality. I didn't say, if I get in my car, drive to the shop, stop the car, park the car, open the car door, open the shop door, and so on. I chose only those things that were directly relevant to the end result. And this is what you do in using logic and in logic modelling. So with that in mind, let's go back to the if-then concept. Using if means that something is conditional. It's a proposition or a prediction. You're drawing on the probability rather than the certainty of things. It isn't the same as equals. The then is the expected result. If this happens, then that will, or at least should happen. There are varying levels of certainty involved with an if-then statement. If you're using a computer, then you can pretty much be certain that if you press button A, then B will be produced. If you're managing complex change in an uncertain environment, then you'll be less certain. But either way, having a proposition puts you in a better place than not having one at all. Modelling relies on a certain amount of acceptance and mitigation of uncertainty. A logic model isn't a project plan. They are not the same thing. They can complement each other, but they are doing different things for you. To allow a logic model to be helpful to you, you have to allow it to be a conditional representation of your change. This is why they often have assumptions boxes, so that the main elements of uncertainty can be iterated and some mitigations put in place. But even then, the model is a proposition, not a plan.